Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. I'm here in front of part number 656061, coilover conversion kit for the 2015 to 2024 Ford F-150 truck. That's a mouthful, but let's get into it. So this is the upper mount, heavy duty construction. The studs are actually pressed in, so you only need one wrench when installing, so it's a nice convenience feature. Double shear mount, holds 1¼ inch by 1/2 inch bolt coilovers, fits right into the upper spring pocket, and has all the necessary hardware. On the lower mount, there's a unique feature where this little tab sits on the floor of the A-arm, so it's race proven. It doesn't bend, it's nice and stable. So this allows you to run the true racing style coilover on the Ford F-150. We also have the part number 6560 kit, which comes with 600-pound or 850-pound springs. 600-pound is for two-wheel drive, and 850 is for four-wheel drive or autocross. We usually include the Vikings with this kit. This is a Viking true racing coilover, Warrior Series. As you can see, it would fit right in here on the lower mount, here on the upper mount, and you're good to go. If you have any product-related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.